Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and this is quite a special video as it is a 35,000 subscriber giveaway announcement. So we just recently passed 35,000 subscribers to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for that. I really do appreciate you guys watching, commenting, and subscribing for all these years. So to celebrate the achievement, we're going to be giving away a FPV Nexus from Tiny's LEDs. This is my brand new race frame, as you can see here. It won't be the entire quad, it'll be just the frame. I just don't have any offhand that aren't built, but this will give you a quick sense of what it is. 5mm boomerang arms, dual plate design, very low stack with a hidden capacitor underneath there. Have the fixed camera mount to lock in your angle, and then of course in the rear you have your SMA mounting with a option for a flip stick to help you turtle mode, and then we have the nice rubber battery pad on the bottom. So you have a very nice frame, very happy with it overall, weighs about 68 grams. So what is also included in the giveaway will be the brand new Flywoo ESC. You can see this is their 4 and 150 amp ESC. It has the heat sinks on the top, and if you look on the bottom, hopefully you can tell it has sort of a dual PCB board thing going here. You can see they're connected by solder points there. This is to help eliminate a bunch of noise. So this should be a really nice 6S or 4S ESC. And then lastly, provided by Flywoo, will be a set of their NIN for Ninja, their 2207 motors. These are actually their 2306 I have here, but you can just get a feel for them. These are their pretty premium motors, and they will be supplying a set of the 2207, and you can get the 4S KV 2450 or the 6S KV 1750. Again, these are the 2306, but you can choose the gold or the silver color, and I'm really enjoying these motors for my freestyle quad, and you can use them for racing or whatever you want. So all in all, what will be included is the Nexus frame, the INI ESC, and the Ninja motors. So the way to enter the giveaway is going to be to leave a comment on this video with anything that you'd like to say, as well as you must include your Instagram username. So the way this is going to work is you have to follow me, the RCAddict, Tiny's LEDs, and Flywoo on Instagram. I'll leave links to our pages down below. So if you do not have an Instagram account, unfortunately, you won't be able to enter the giveaway. So once again, to enter, you have to follow me, Flywoo, and Tiny's LEDs Instagram pages, and then leave a comment down below with anything you'd like to say, as well as you must leave your Instagram username so I can verify that you are following the accounts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Nice and simple. Thank you guys once again for the huge milestone, 35,000 subscribers. Thank you to Tiny's LEDs and Flywoo for providing the products. And yeah, I'll do an update video in about a week or two to let you guys know who the winner is. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Continue to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.